Hey Google, what's a photo walk?
Photo walking is a communal activity of camera enthusiasts who gather in a group to walk around with a camera for the main purpose of taking pictures of things that interests each photographer.
So I'm inviting you to please join me as we travel to some pretty great places in search of the best photo spots and how, when, and where to get them. We're in Madrid. We're back in Las Vegas. We're in Porto today. We're in Silver Lake. I am sitting in what's arguably the top photo selfie spot in downtown. I'm Jefferson Graham. I'm a lifelong photographer, writer, and video maker. My aim with the Photowalks channel is to take you to great places and show you how, when, and where to get great photos to light up your social media with postcard-worthy shots like behind me. I like getting off the main drag. Baker is the town that time forgot. You've got a whole bunch of abandoned restaurants, gas stations, and motels. It's a little dreary, but it's also a photographer's dream. Let's explore it together, come on. Nothing screams shopping mall like those crazy mall mannequins. Have you taken a good look lately? Because they've really changed. They have colors and odd shapes. I mean, the dummies are still there, but in the back of our minds, we look at their clothes, not their fake faces. That is, unless we have our camera eyes open, which of course is what this Photowalk series is all about. What do I like about shooting in the rain? Let's start with beautiful reflections that you only get during a rain. I like seeing the water flowing. I like seeing the mist on buildings. I like seeing people react to the rain, and of course, the iconic umbrella shot. Where's the best selfie spot?
Oh, underneath the pier.
My best tip is to use the timer on your smartphone. 3 or 10 seconds gives you plenty of time to now get in position and get everybody looking really good. Photo tip, panorama time. Remember that if you shoot this on a smartphone, keep your feet planted firmly on the ground and move your body as you take the shot. For his 11th annual worldwide photo walk, doing what I love, joining other photographers, taking great photos. So I hope you join me. You can register at worldwidephotowalk.com. See you on the phone.